Hi everyone! In today's video, let's talk about automating actions with websites and web applications using WorkFusion RPA Express. With RPA Express, you can fill out online forms, extract data from websites to further use it in other applications, generate and download online reports and other documents, and perform any other actions on websites. RPA Express has a special group of web actions intended for automating web tasks. Let's take a closer look at each action. The Open Website action is designed to open web pages using one of your choice of three web browsers: Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. For example, let's open duckduckgo.com in Chrome browser and play the recording. Every time you play the recording, the browser opens a new clearer instance, which doesn't store any login information, cache, and cookies from previous sessions. The browser window will be automatically closed after execution of the last action in the recording. To set or get web element value, you can use the web element action. It is faster and more reliable than clicking and typing text on the page. Note that if you open the browser using actions other than Open Website, perhaps for example using Launch application or clicking on the browser icon, you will not be able to use the web element action. It works only with the Open Website action and has to be nested inside it. The action has two modes: get value and set value. To set the value, you need to select the variable which contains information you want to paste. For example, you might want to find Bank of America's stock price. So let's create a string variable that will store the search text Bank of America stock price. And select it in the drop-down menu. After that, you need to specify the XPath of the web element in which you need to put the value. XPath allows you to locate elements on the web page. To copy it, you need to right-click on the web element, inspect, then right-click on the blue highlighted area, copy XPath. Paste it in the XPath of the element field. Let's check if it works. That's it. In some cases, copied XPath may not work, and you'll need to create XPath manually. To learn more about this, check out the link to the XPath guide in the video description. If the web element is located inside an iframe, you need to check the Search in iframes box and specify the XPath of the iframe too. When you pasted the search text, you need to click the search button. To do that, let's use the mouse click action. One of the options that you can use is to click on the image. Just capture the area with the button and set the click position. But if the element you need to click on isn't visible on the screen or the image has changed, this method might not work. A more efficient way is to click on the web element. This option is available only when you use the mouse click action under Open Website and is disabled in other cases. You can find the element using text or XPath. You need to use XPath in this case. Let's copy it the same way as we did it before. So our bot will do a left button single click on this web element. Let's check it. That's it. In cases when you need to find an element by its text, you can use the text option. For example, let's click on the images link. You don't actually need this action, so let's delete it and get back to our script. After you click on the search button, you need to get the price value using the web element action. Drag it to the actions flow and select Get Value mode. Then copy the XPath of the web element. To save the value, create a new string variable and select it in the drop-down menu. Let's check the execution result log to check if the information has been saved correctly. As you can see, the stock price is saved. Sometimes you need to extract not the text of the web element, but some specific information. You can do it using the web elements attribute. Let's save the link of the first search result, for example. If you use just XPath in the web element action, you will get the item's text. But you can use, for example, attribute href and get the URL of the page it points to. If the XPath points to several elements on the page, you can save the values of all these elements in a list variable. For example, this XPath points only to the first menu item. If you delete the number of the menu item, the resulting XPath will point to 4 menu items. If you use this XPath in the web element action, you can save all of them to a list variable. As you can see, all values have been saved in just one action. Now that you know the basics of web actions, let's automate a real-life use case. We have an Excel file with a list of companies and want the bot to find stock price of each company in column A and save it in column B. Let's change our existing script to do it. First, our bot will open the Excel file, set the search queries to a list variable, and set active cell to be 1. Let's add for each loop action. So for each company in the list, the bot will open the website, set the search query, click the search button, and get the stock price value. We don't need the other two actions, so let's delete them. Then the bot will open our Excel file, set the value in the active cell, and move the active cell below. Let's play this script. As you can see, the bot grabbed all stock prices and saved them in column B. I hope this video helped you understand how to use web actions in RPA Express. Please give us a thumbs up and feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future updates. Thanks for watching, see you next time.